everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about dealing of gift cards in Odoo 18 sales. So gift cards in Odoo offers a convenient way to manage and sell gift cards with your business. And let's see how they work. So there are different types of gift cards, that is a physical gift card, and these are the printed cards with a unique code that can be used to redeem at the point of sale or in sales module. And we have the other one as the e-gift cards, and these will be the digital cards that can be sent through the email and redeemed online at your shop. So let's see how this is managed. So you can just type into the sales module. Under the configuration settings, we just need to enable the loyalty, gift cards, and promotion, and this would allow you to manage these features. So once you have made the changes in the configuration settings, ensure you have saved the changes in the configuration and you can just move on to the product. Here you would be able to find the gift cards. So here you can see the gift card that is generated. So currently you can see that we have created one, and the program name you can provide as gift card or any other name, and the program type is gift card. So we can just create the gift cards manually or automatically, which can be sent by email when the customer orders a gift card product. And then the gift card can be used to pay orders. And you can see that we have just added a gift card product over here, that is gift card, which is a service product. And we can also set an email template. So whenever we just send this gift card to the customer, they will be receiving a gift card through the email. And that shows the worth of the gift card along with its unique code. And you can also get the print report, and you can see the currency that is applied in the gift card is USD. And from this, we can also analyze that this gift card belongs to the company. My company is San Francisco, and we have made it available in the point of sales module, and a website. As we haven't provided any particular website over here, this gift card can be also used in every website and every POS, because we haven't mentioned any particular POS or website over here. So let's see how can we generate a gift card. To generate the gift card, you can just click on the generate gift card button, where you can choose the customers. It can be anonymous customers or selected customer. So if you're just going with the selected customer, we just need to define the customers, and you can just set multiple customers under the selected customer. And if you're just going with the anonymous customer, you can just use this gift card for any customers. So I would like to go with selected customers, and here you can see I'm going to choose the customer as Joel Wells, and later on you can also set the tags, and I just want to set the worth of this gift card as $1,000. And if you want to set an expiry date for this gift card, you can also set that. And here in Odoo 18, you can find the difference in the gift card is that we have a new field called description, which is mandatory. So we can set the description of the gift card as gift for customer. And you can also see that till previous versions of the Odoo, when we just try to generate a gift card, we had a button called generate only. But in Odoo 18, we can just generate and send the gift card to the customer through mail simultaneously. So let me just choose that so that you would be able to see that now the number of the gift card will be just incremented, and we have just created the gift cards over here. So you can send this gift card manually, and you can also share this. And if you want to view this gift card from the customer perspective, you can also view it from their mail. So let's type into the mail of customer, and here you can see this is the gift card, and you can also find the reference number. So let me copy the reference number of the gift card, that is the unique code of this gift card, in order to purchase something from the store. So let's dive into the sales module, and let's move on to the orders. And under the orders, you can just click on new button, where you can just fill out the details. And just keep in mind that the customer is just Joel Wills, and you can just choose them over here, and you can just choose the product. So I would like to purchase the product, which is cable management box with 5 quantity, and you can see everything over here. And the amount is just calculated over there, which is 500. So again, if you want to increase the quantity, you can set that. So I'm going to just change the quantity as 50. And you can see the amount is just 5,000. So that as it's a huge amount, I just need to apply the coupon code. So I would like to set the coupon code over here. So let me paste the code and click on apply so that we can just apply the gift card. And you can see that we can select the gift card and let's click on apply so that the gift card is applied and the amount is just deducted, and we only just need to make a payment of this much as we just applied the gift card over here. So that's how we just deal with the gift cards, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.